As they leave the program, they are more skilled, they are more experienced, they are more knowledgeable.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi bafumene ilemuko namakhonofundo azabaphilisa abasebenzi abaningi abazibandakanye ehlelweni le-EPWP.
Nomama uyayiqinisa yambona kubuhlungu kakhulu angazi uchaza kanjani.
Bekumahlwo inyembezi nemibuzo enganampendulo emngcwabeni wabafundi ababili abacule bakhambe nesikolo eCenturion ePitori. Kezemidlalo sekuqala imidlalo ye-DStv Premiership edlala ngelesihlanu ebusuku. Ngoba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC1 ngesindebele lotshani. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi uhulumende uhlela ukuvula imisebenzi ezingidi ezihlanu eminyakeni emihlanu ezako ngehlelo lombuso i-Extended Public Works Program. Umengameli Ramaphosa uthi lokhu kuzokuphunyeleliswa ukuthi qobe eminyaka kuvulwe imisebenzi esigidi. Ubekhuluma eminyanyeni wokugidinga iminyaka ema-20 kwasungulwa i-EPWP eBuffalo City Stadium eMonti eMpumalanga Kapa.
Imali engange-40 billion yerandi esetyenziswe kule nkqubo kule minyaka mihlanu idlulileyo. Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi liza kwanda inani labantu abazokuxhamla kule nkqubo. Umemelele iinkampani zabucala ukuba nazo zifake isandla.
As they leave the program, they are more skilled, they are more experienced, they are more knowledgeable, they are able to go and start their businesses. They will leave here knowing where to go to get support for their own businesses as well. Our TVET colleges are going to be able to deliver the right skills that our economy needs.
Kwabanye abathe bathatha inxaxheba kule nkqubo bathi iguqule ubomi babo.
Kule program ikhulile kakhulu and I promise the department obana sizawenzela izinto ezinjengale yenze kum because denziwe ile department uZenbench. Noba ungathini ngoku ndivuse ebusuku uthi mandikwenzele ntoni according painting hayi ndi-artisan qwaba.
Abanye bekhala ngemali engakhawulelani nezidingo zabo.
Sithi asikho happy singabasebenzi baka-EPWP because akho mali. Yi-contract emaniphelelwa imane renewishwa iphelelwe iphinde renewishwe. Ingxaki ke esinayo imali esiyipeyayo incinci izipinathi kakhulu because le mali ayisikhoni tu at all. Ayisikhona ayikwazi kwa usenzela ineeds zethu.
Osoqoqosho bathi le nkqubo mayijongane nezakhono ezidingekayo kule mihla siphila kuyo.
We also need to align certain jobs within the ideas of this EWPP to fit within key issues that are happening in the economy. And I'm not seeing that. I'm seeing a lot of focus on services, the environment, communities, but really in terms of more clusters that could unlock more potential employment. This is not the case on the ground.
uRamaphosa ukwamemelele ukuphela ukuqeshana ngokwazana kule nkqubo. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze-SABC eMonti.
Iphiko lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi lithi kufanele lisunduze ngamandla indaba yokuthi kubuyiswe indlamani zakwaGupta elizweni le-United Arab Emirates. Isikhulu sezokutshutshiswa komphakathi u-Advocate Shamila Batoyi uthi imizamo yabo yokubamba umhlangano nebe-United Arab Emirates ngokuthi umraro yini bangabuyiswa nganeno ayikabuyi nemiphumela emihle. uBatoyi bekakhuluma nababika indaba ePitori ngamaqalondanzi kunye namahlelo wabo.
ISouth Africa nanje ayazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngehlelo lokubuyisa indlamani zakwaGupta lapha ekhethu. Iphiko lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi lithi imphathimandla ze-United Arab Emirates azikabaphenduli bekube nje ngemva kwembawo ezimbalwa abazifakileko zokuthola ilwazi. Isibawo sokuthi babuyise nganeno bakwaGupta sararhwa ikhotho ye-UAE ngenyanga kaMhlolanja. Lokhu kwenzeka ngemva kokuthi ikhotho ithole bona amacala ababekwa wona wokukhukhutisa imali kubulelesi ekuthiwa batsho benziwe emazweni amabili la. Imithetho ye-United Arab Emirates ithi ukubuyiselwa kwabantu elizweni elithileko kungaraha ngombana ilizwelo lingabutjhiswa ngokwabo ubulelesi obunjalo. Inlamani zakwaGuptezi ziqalene namacala okuzitapela amabhiliyoni wamaranda ngokulinga ukuthumba ilawulo lombuso welizwe.
We have been trying very, very hard to find out some very basic things, like what exactly, what was the problem with our extradition request? We've not had satisfactory responses from the UAE.
Ubatohi uthi ukuthunjwa kombuso kweminyaka elithumi kwaba nomthelelo omumbi ekukhuleni kwephiko lezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi. Nanyana kunjalo uyabonakala umsebenzi abawenzileko ekuqalaneni namacala okukhwabanisa.
We've restrained and preserved more than 14 billion of state capture assets. 6.12 billion was confiscated and forfeited to the state. That means money in the bank.
Iphiko liphikile imbiko yokuthi libhalelwe ukuthuthisa laba abathintwaniswa nobukhwabanisi, kanti liyayiphika neyokuthi baphethe icala likaSpeaker waphambilini weParlamente ngobunono.
Igqwetha ecaleni lokubulawa kwakaSenzo Meyiwa libuze malungana nomukhwa abofokisi abaphenye ngawo ukubhubha kwakaMeyiwa. Ubeke njalo asola elinye ipholisa ilingufokisi uSergeant Bathu Mogula ngokuqisa amehlo ubufakazi obuqhakathekileko ecaleni elingaphakathi kwecala malungana nezinto ezafunyanwa nomsola wokuthoma uMoses Sibiya nakabotshwako. Uvelile godwe ekhotho umbuzo wokuthi uba yini intombi kaMeyiwa yangaleso sikhathi uKelly Khumalo azangabotshwe.
Elinye labofakazi ecaleni uSergeant Bathu Mogula ubetshukwa ngembuzo malungana nelinye ihlangothi lendaba alilethe ekhotho ecaleni elingaphakathi kwecala necaleni elikhulu malungana nokuthi kuyini amapholisa akuthathako nakabopha umsola wokuthoma uMoses Sibiya ngo-2020.
The phone that was taken there, it was a Samsung S4. Do you understand?
I understand.
Umbuso uthi umsola wesithathu uMthobisi Mncube ungomunye wabasola ababili abangena ngendlini bakhomba ingidi. Advocate Baloyi uthe kuliqiniso lokho ekutshiwo ngufakazi.
And in this regard, I just wish to refer the court to page 36 of the proceedings of 7 August 2023, wherein Mr. Madala testified that he had a phone. It was a Samsung S3, white in color.
Begodu uthi ihlathululo elethwa abofakazi ekhabe bangendlini ayihlobani nomsola wesithathu. Umkhula bewatsho nokuthi uyazi ngongqondongqondo wenza umnisi bona arage ngephenyo. Kuthe ngaphambi kokuthi ikhoti iphadlalale, ijaji uRatha Mkhwatleng watshela ikhotho bona uthulane Mngomezulu oligqwetha lomsola wokuthoma umtshele bona kunamadoda angaziwako afike kwakhe namhlanje sekuseni ngomnqopho wokumlimaza. uMkhwatleng uphakamise bona uMngomezulu abe nabogadi.
Bangcwatshiwe namhlanje ethembisa abafundi ababili abacwile eCenturion ePitori ngeveke epheleleko nabekade baye ecampini yesikole ekuthiwa batshobe kungekubafundisa umthetho. uSiphamandla Peterson kunye noSibusiso Sibiya bebayingcenye yesiqhema sabafundi beDavidson Skill School ekade bakhambe nesikolo ekhambweni ebelingakaphasiswa mnyango wezefundo esisekelo. Imndeni yabo ithi ifuna abantu abathindekayo ekubhubheni kwabantwana aba babe nikuziphendulela.
Imindeni, abafundi kunye nabangani babongazimbaba babhalelwe kubamba inyembezi ngobuhlungu ababizilweko njengomana ababili aba ebegade baphekelelwe endaweni abo yokugcina. Abanengi bathi bebasalinda okukhulu kibo. Amalunga womndeni athi alimele khulu begodu alinyazwa khulukhulu nayindlela abantwana abababhubhe ngayo. Bathi abakazi ukuhlala ukufikela lapha abantu abathindekako babekwa ukuziphendulela.
Family kaSiphamandla, I cannot say we are celebrating the life of uSiphamandla. We are so hurt the way the things happen in the school. We also give the MEC to investigate, as we said, when they come and pay the homage to the families. Tina, we are not happy, but we know Uguti, the district, because it's here. I don't want to talk about the school. I want to talk about the district and the office of the MEC, that MEC must see ukuthi justice is served for labantwana laba.
My sister, she's very in a terrible condition because now my mom she's acting to be strong, but yet I see even my mom now, she's deeply hurt. So I think my sister, after this burial, she will need help.
Usomkhandlu wezefundo eGauteng uMatume Chulwane uthi kukhethwe isiqhema esizokuphenya malungana nendaba le begodu uthi umnyango wezefundo awunalo ikhambo lesikolo labafundi lokuye kampeni ekuthiwa batsho ifundisa umthetho. Uthi umsebenzi wesikolo kufundisa abantwana incwadi ingasumthetho.
We've already served one of our educators with OD letter, and obviously because of the labor law we have to follow process because we don't want to come out as victimizing one or individuals within the department.
Usomkhandlu uthi ukuthi umnyango wezefundo ufundile kulesi sehlakalo nofana njani kuzokuvezwa ngilokho ozokwenza ukuya phambili.
Nasibuye Ndolo.
Ba re ishitse go ditoropong ene go ditoropong are tse mo betapile la bishisha bakhala price.
Basilinga ke babe bangena indlela bachakala abantu abadala abahola isibonelelo sika Hulumende eLimpopo babanga ukuvala kwendawo zokuholela bathi abasakhoni nokudobhadobha intshetsana ngelanga lomholo. Now uqeda ukungena unenyawo elihle ngombana usifumana sisaphethe indaba nazi kuphundileko zikhona ku YouTube, Facebook na ku SABC Plus. Abantu abatsha abangaphezulu kwenkulungwane ezimashumi eMpumalanga sebazokuthola ithuba lokuqashwa namkha babe baqashi. Lokhu kuvezwe nabekuthulwa ihlelo lezemisebenzi elidoswa phambili Unemployment Insurance Fund nomnyango wezokuqashwa nezemisebenzi.
Abantu abatsha abafuna amathuba wemisebenzi nabawatholako bahlangene lapha ukuthola ilwazi lokuthuthukisa impilo yabo. Ihlelo lile UIF lathoma ngo-2019. Abanye babazuzileko ehlelweni bafundi baqeda imfundo zabo zemazikweni aphakemeko wezefundo bebangasebenzi bazithomela amabhizinisi.
I took my chance and I applied for it and I got my funding. And it helped me drastically because it opened doors for me.
It helped me a lot to market myself and to be familiar with the world, and also in terms of knowing whatever that I have to do with my skills that I have.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuqasha nezemisebenzi uthi ihlelweli liqalelele kukhulu amakhonofundo aqhakathekileko.
We've run these programs before, where people will be trained, but they would not be trained in what you call demand-led skills, which are needed by the market. Today you're talking ICT, you're talking food security, agriculture, and so on.
Nakusesenjalo uNdunakulu weMpumalanga uthi isifunde sisenza kuhle ekuthuthukiseni abantu abatsha.
If you look at the stats SA, the third and the fourth quarter, there are indications that as Mpumalanga we're one of the few provinces that has grown in terms of job creation.
Ihlelo likulindeleke bona lethulwe eTlhagwini eJingalanga neLimpopo.
Abantu abadala abahola imali yesibonelelo sikaHulumende bachagalele ema-ofisini kaNdunakulu aseLimpopo ePolokwane. Bafuna ukuthi isasa kunye nePostbank babuyekeze isiqondo abasithathako sokuvala indawo zokuhola emphakathini. Zivalwe ngomhla ka-1 kuSihlabantangana nonyaka. Abogogo nabo bamkhulu bayalila bathi ukuvalwa kwendawo zokuhola kubaqindelise nemiditsho yabo ngoba kulapho bebanandi babonana khona nabakhozi babo bazicocele. Bebadobhadobhe nokhunye bakudinga ngikhaya.
Basilingekile abantu abadala ngesiqundo sokuvala indawo zokuhola. Abantu abadala bebavela esini nwabarana kunye nendawo ezimageganayo bamashile ema-ofisini kaNdunakulu Stanley Mathabatha bayokwethula incwadi yenililo zabo. Ngenyanga kaMhlolanja nonyaka bamashile eminyango ezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi kodwa khange bathole ipendulo. Balila ngokuthi abakhona ukukhamba amabanga amade bayokuhola begodu bababamba ikunzi nabalenga ukukhupha umholo wabo emadorobheni aseduze. Bafuna zibuyiswe indawo zokuhola. Bathi iPostbank iyabhalelwa ukwenza umsebenzi wayo yokubaholisa begodu ayisulwe ikontrakt yabo.
ditšhelete di a timela bana ba rena ba re tšeela ditšhelete ba re išitše ko ditoropong ene ko ditoropong a re tse bo betha pele la kwešiša bakgalafi ba iso
i-Post Bank ithi ukuthi bathathe isiqundo sokuvala indawo zokuhola indaba yokwetshiwa kwemali ethuthwako nokwabelwa emaposweni. Encwadi yenililo zabo yamukelwe ngokukhulumela urhulumende uNdabe Ramakwela.
All the issues that they've asked us to do is to be a conduit and send this memorandum to the president and require responses within the number of days that they've stated, and we shall do accordingly.
Abantu abadala babathi banikela undunankulu nomengameli Cyril Ramaphosa amalanga ali-14 ukuthi baphendule inlilo zabo. Bathusela ngokuthi abazukuvota ngomhla ka-29 ngoMrhayili nangaba bathola ipendulo ezwakalako.
Kanti ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ngayo indaba le. Nakumbona ukhelandela mbukeli.
Fanele bakhwele inthuthi zomphakathi sibathe labo urholela khona ene ziyabiza inthuthi zomphakathi ene nemali kahulumende le incane iyachoda iyodwa bangakayiholi mkhathi.
Isafuna bayibhekisise le ndaba yokuhola abantu abadala ngoba ngempela baqedela imali ukuthi bahole edolobheni babanjwe nenkunzi.
Eziningi izinto ezonakele ngalokho kubalwa nakho ukuhamba amabanga amade.
Abazali bethu bahamba amabanga amade bayofuna le mali kokuhlungu ngase bebuye bilambane.
Kwaba wrong ukuthi kuvala amaposi basebenzisa yona le mali encane bagibele baye emadolobheni kuyaphithizela basebenzisa amakhadi.
Abanye thola ukuthi abanayo imali yokuya emadolobheni la sekhoyelwa khona abanye bahambe bathi bayohola bangayithola imali yabo so nje izikhungo zazi ngcono kunalokho kwenzeka manje.
Umbono ngewombukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ngezemali, iranda liqinile elilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikolo. Njengaje akhe sihlola bazumi ukuthi bazume njani. Akwande sibo?
Akwande Thandeka siyakulotshisa nombukeli okhona usekhaya. Hlangana nendaba esiziphethe kwenamba namhlanje kunesiqhema sabogogo nabobamkhulu lapha esifundeni seLimpopo abamatshele ofisini likandunankulu wesifunda kuyokuzwakalisa ukunganeliseki kwabo ngesiqundo esathathwa liziko eliholisa imali yesibonelelo sikahulumende isasa ngokunjalo nePost Bank ukuthi bavale indawo lapho abogogo nabomkhulu bekade bahola khona. Ngale kwalokho kuhlonywe ihlelo i-Labour Activation Program lapha esifundeni seMpumalanga ehloswe ngalo uqeda isibalo esiphezulu sokungasebenzi kwabantu. Ngolosithathu ke namhlanje bakhona bakwa-IEC ngamahlelo wabo amlandilande ukuhamba bafundisa isitshaba ndebangakulindela ngaphambi kokuthi kufike ilanga lamakhetho ngenyanga ezako. Ngizo-ke indaba esiziphetheko ehlelweni zibuya nabazumi. Sithokozile.
Sithokoza sibo. Akwande busayi buthini ubujamo bezulu namhlanje?
Khe ngatsho iveke pheleleko ukuthi sekuzokufuthumala kunjalo vele amalanga la. Sizazicala ngokunabileko. Lotshani mbukele ekhaya ngelesithathu livulile maphakathi nenarha pheze inarha yoke eSewula Afrika kukulapha eligwini elingeSewula la lisibekele khona ngamafukazi ke kuzoba negungu kusasa sibona lapha ke lizaba khona izulu elinganiselwa ku-60% nawuthujinga ehlagwini yesifunda sangaleke nge-Eastern Cape sibona nomlilo wamahlathi kileza ndawo zabo Northern Cape siyaqala ke ukuthi kuchisa kangangani eGauteng njengoba sesijule nje ukuthi kufuthumale iPitori nge-29 iJohannesburg nge-28 neBroncosprade kanti ke ngaleke ngeLimpopo sibona lifuthumele nakhona kulapha ibilabila la libaba khona liyachisa nge-35 sokuqalela isifunda sangale ngeMpumalanga ukuthi sona sinjani lifuthumele endaweni eziningi lapha eMashishini nesikhukhuza liyachisa isikhukhuza nge-31 kuthi ke ezinye indawo kufuthumele iKwaZulu Natal ibonakala ifuthumele nayo endaweni eziningi kulapha eKokstad kuza kuthoma kube makhaza kodwa ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sibona kuyaphola nge-21 siya lapha ke esifundeni sangeMpumalanga Kapa likhona izudlwana emakhanda lithi ukuphola nge-21 nalapha ke eMthatha nge-23 sifunda pheze sonke sangale nge-Eastern Cape sipholile ngaleke nge-Western Cape sibona lifuthumele lapha eCape Town nge-24 kezinye indawo-ke nawuthi yacala iMossel Bay ipholile nge-20 siyangaleke nge-Northern Cape siyabona ukuthi i-Upington iyachisa kanti Springbok sifuthumele nge-26 iKimberley ichisa nge-31 ngemva kwamadina iFreystata bonakala ichisa nayo endaweni eziningi kubo-Welcome nge-31 lapho khunye-ke kufuthumele lapha eGaribdam khona-ke kupholile nge-22 iNorthwest kokugcina siyibona-ke ifuthumele iyangokuchisa iMahikeng siyibona lapha-ke ngamazinga athi 31 kwanele-ke kwanamhlanje sisakubonana ngesikhathi esilandelako.